Artoonza.
Hey there, fruity geniuses and number magicians! Ready to turn the number 1 into something juicy and fun? Today, we're slicing, dicing, and drawing our way to a mango masterpiece. Give us your like. Grab your crayons, sparkles, and a whole lot of imagination. Because this is going to be mango-nificent. Let's peel back the magic of number art together. Give us a big thumbs up.
Wow!
Ready to splash some color. Yellow. Let's color together.
Aw, so cute.
Orange. Green.
Wow!
Color, color, color. Give us a big thumbs up. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. This is better. Yummy, yummy mango, yummy, yummy mango. Smash that like button now.
Aw, so cute.
Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.